Hello friends, how are you all? We are going to show you robots that look like 7 animals of the world. If you are new to the channel, please like, share, subscribe and set the bell notification on the wall so that the video is first can reach you. Number 1, the bionic kangaroo. On an average, a kangaroo can attain a speed of about 20 to 25 kilometers per hour while hopping, but they can also reach higher speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour over short distances. Based on a real-life kangaroo, a German engineering firm has developed bionic model. Like its natural model, it can recover the energy while jumping, store it and officially use it for the next jump. Bionic ants. Number 2, bionic KNTS. Ants are known for their work ethics and unity, so why should it be any different? Format robots. The Germany-based automation company Festo initiated bionic antis with not only projecting the delicate anatomy of the natural ant but also aiming to transfer the unique cooperative behavior of the creatures to the world of technology using complex control algorithms. They will be able to communicate with each other to coordinate their actions and movements. While this project is still in its initial stage, the concept of artificial ants and how autonomous individual components can solve a complex task together working on a system can open many possibilities and can also change the future of robot making process. Number 3, robot dog learns. A robot dog named Morty has taught itself to walk 1 hour after its first step. The robot learned just like animals in the wild by tripping and stumbling until it understood how to balance on its limbs. Morty was developed by researchers at the Max Planck Institute for Intelligence Systems as a way for scientists to closely study how animals learn to walk. With Morty, researchers could measure the forces and torques and muscle power of each limb, something that would have been much more difficult to do in a live organism, said Felix Ruppert, a PhD student and first author of the new study in building the Labrador-sized robot dog. Robert and the team first needed to computerize the mechanism by which animals and humans learn to walk. Pluribot. Number 4, Pluribot. It is a salamander-like robot developed by the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology. Unlike their previous approaches, they used recent advances in cineradiography to leverage the advantages of the biomimetic design process. Though it is not the fastest as its natural counterpart, the low center of gravity gives it good stability for it to operate on different terrains, including underwater. With a sophisticated neural network and individually controllable joints, it is best suited to carry out search and rescue operations. Scorpio hexapod. Number 5, Scorpio hexapod. Want to have scorpion as a pet with a real sting? Probably the Scorpio hexapod, developed by Ghent University in Belgium, is the right choice for you. It is a 6-legged floor crawler that comes with a plastic plate main body with the 3D parts attached to it. Using infrared sensor technology, it can move in all directions, giving the feel of the real presence of a living scorpion. If not convinced, try going near to it to feel its sting. Ionicopter. Number 6. Bionicopter. A flying robot inspired by the flight of. Dragonfly is a lightweight robot designed with functionalities to imitate the complex flight characteristics of a real dragonfly. The Bionicopter uses a bionic learning network to let the robot fly in all directions, hover on a spot flappets wings, and fly forward and backwards just like the real one. In fact, it can handle more flight conditions than helicopters, motorized and non-motorized gliders combined. Boston Dynamics. Number 7. The humble pack horse may soon be a thing of the past with the development of Boston Dynamics' new horse-like rough terrain robot. The legged squad support system LS3 was developed by Boston Dynamics with funding from the U.S. Marine Corps and the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency. The Massachusetts-based firm says the LS3 was designed with military use in mind and is able to go anywhere that soldiers and Marines go on foot. Each LS3 can carry up to 400 pounds of gear and enough fuel for missions covering 20 miles and lasting 24 hours. The LS3 does not need a driver because it can automatically follow a leader using computer vision or travel to designated locations using sensing in GPS. Boston Dynamics assembled a skilled team to develop the LS3, including not only its own engineers and scientists but experts from Bell Helicopter AAI Corporation, Carnegie Mellon, the Jet Propulsion Laboratory, and Woodward HRT.